Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot verify phone number. This phone number cannot be used at this time. So guys, if you're also facing this issue on your Apple account in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, basically this phone number cannot be used at this time error usually means the number is already linked to another account, or it is flagged or creating too many accounts, or temporarily blocked by Apple for security reasons. So guys, this can be the reasons for this problem, and if you think that these are not the reason for this problem, then you have to simply go for the next solution, that is you have to simply wait for 24 to 48 hours. So guys, if you have attempted to verify it too many times in a short window, you have to simply wait for 24 to 48 hours, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply check for existing accounts. So guys, the most common reason is that the number is already attached to an older or existing Apple ID. Try resetting the password on that account for using a different phone number. So guys, the next solution is that you have to simply reset network settings of your device. So guys, for that, open settings on your device and then go to general and then scroll it below and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply try a different network or different device. So guys, change your internet connection or use another device to check if the problem is there. Then you have to simply go for the next solution, that is you have to simply open Sport app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.